G'day punters, welcome back. Gonna fit that. That's a Engel ST90F Engel fridge freezer into here. Two nutserts stuck in there, one there, M8. I've drilled two holes there. I should be able to put the nuts in underneath. Why am I going that way? 28 kilos. The old 60 litre that was in here, which is on an MSA slider, was 33 kilos. And the MSA slider, let me just have a look. I did a little bit of research on this. The MSA slider was 42 kilos, so combined they were 75 kilos as opposed to 28 kilos, which I'm putting in. So it saves me 47 kilos of weight. Now I'm quoting dry weights as well, so 28 kilos dry weight. And the 60 litre Engel was 33 kilos dry weight. Now the other thing as well, this thing draws about, well, we'll have a look at the placard. It's less than 3 amps, I think at 12 volts. I swung the door around a different way too from manufacture. 2.6 amps at 12 volts. The other Engel, the 60 litre, drew about 3.8 amps. Wiring, it's got an Anderson plug. There's a 10 amp fuse in there. I've soldered the joints together. I put the cover back on there. Not doing anything with the 240 volts at the moment. I'm just going to zippy tie this up on the back of the condenser, so it's out of the way. And once it's installed, then I'll just plug the Anderson plug into the outlets that I've got inside the Canopy. I'll bolt it up now. Plenty more room down the side. I've pushed it back a fair way, just so it clears the Canopy door, sort of running flush with the top rack. I can open it up a fair way, still get those racks out. Just a little, I suppose, shelf to work on if I need to. Does it work? Yep, compressor on. Just got plugged in up the back here. You might see that cable. Rightio, well, I've got you on the horn here. I'm dropping back to one video a week. I've still only got probably about half a dozen of the big lap videos to go, so I'll be dropping those each consecutive Saturday from now on after this video drops. By the time the last one drops, we'll be on the road again, end of March, doing some interior stuff. So different sort of country, eh?